this video I will show you how to change the color of an SVG file in Canva. Here in this example you see the logo design from my Etsy shop. That is an SVG file that has three colors, black and two shades of gray. So in case that you want to change the colors of your the color of your logo, you will simply click on the graphic here, and then here in the upper left corner you will see three circles, these three dots with the colors that you have on your SVG file. So we see here that this lady is black, and if we click here on this black circle, we can change her color. So let's see how she will look in maybe this pink. Okay, and now we want to change the color of these gray branches. So this is this color here. Okay, let's make them green. And now the leaves, you see here that they are light gray, and here if we click on that color and then choose one of these, let's choose this vivid green color. Okay, now you see we change all three colors of our SVG file, and here in the upper left corner we can see now which three colors we use in this file. Thanks for watching.